Hello, welcome to my presentation today. My name is Elena and my favorite app is TED. Today I will talk about how can we use the TED app in the classroom as a teacher. Firstly, TED speakers share educational and inspiring ideas that can change the world, and TED is also a subfield of this institution. Here is the TED clubs. And within the scope of these activities, students have the opportunity to develop their skills in preparing presentations, speaking in front of the community, preparing videos and animations, and also performing various digital works. And also, TED enables students many kind of education videos. Actually, it creates a new way of teaching because there are no fixed classes and no physical campuses in TED. Classes will be transformed from passive learning centers where information is told on the board and followed from books to active learning centers where students take responsibility in the process. And also, if we think simply, teachers can utilize TED lessons videos to diversify their way of teaching by providing various tools in the classrooms. And finally, because of these advantages, or thanks to these advantages, the application of TED is really advantageous. Thank you for listening.